Hi, I'm Megan, and this is the video user guide for the Rolling Knife Sharpener by WorkSharp. Let's see what's in the box. You have the Rolling Knife Sharpener, the magnetic angle block, and 3 abrasive discs: coarse diamond, fine diamond, and fine ceramic cone. On the magnetic angle block, you'll notice a few things. Each side is set to a specific angle: 15 degrees for Japanese or Eastern knives, 17 degrees for most Western or common kitchen knives, 20 and 25 degrees for folding knives and outdoor blades. Both the 20 and 25 degree sides have a blade riser to secure and elevate the cutting edge on smaller blades. The abrasives attach to the front of the sharpener and are held in place by magnets. They can be removed by lifting the edge of the abrasive through the small reveals. And now we're ready to sharpen a knife. Let's begin by finding a flat surface. You'll need room to fit the length of your blade and roll the sharpener back and forth. Next, select your angle on the angle block and secure the knife to the magnets. Center the blade as best as possible so it is safely secured on the magnets and you have safe access to the entire cutting edge. Inspect the blade to ensure the entire edge is above the height of the base. Make any adjustments necessary to expose the blade. This will be more important on smaller knives. Next, choose your abrasive. For first-time sharpening, we recommend choosing the Coarse 320 grit. Before sharpening, inspect the knife for any parts that may come into contact with the sharpener, and inspect the edge for any damage or severely dull areas. For extra tall knives, you may need to elevate the sharpener by setting it on a cutting board. Begin sharpening by rolling from heel to tip using light pressure, ensuring the sharpener maintains contact with the blade the whole time. Then from tip back to heel. Being mindful of the number of passes that you make, you'll want to repeat these passes on the opposite side. Continue to roll back and forth until you have raised a burr along the entire blade edge. You will be able to feel this by running your finger up and away from the cutting edge. Once you have a burr, flip the knife over to the opposite side and sharpen the same number of passes. Flip the knife back over and progress to the fine diamond abrasive. Continue sharpening through the fine abrasive. Make 10 passes back and forth on each side. Finish with a ceramic cone, at least 5 passes per side. More passes will result in a sharper knife and a higher level of edge refinement and finish. Remove your knife and clean the blade to remove any debris. You've successfully sharpened your knife, but one tip. Be sure to clean your magnetic angle block in between sharpenings to reduce debris and risk of scratching knives. Rubber guides can be removed and rinsed in warm soapy water with the angle block. Replacement abrasives and world-class customer service are available through WorkSharp. Thanks for watching.